Hello, I'm Dean Mitchell and welcome to 𝐊𝐶 TV. This is the Buzzing Trends. Let's see how these crucial factors can sway the ASX today. The Australian share market, which was having difficulty finding direction on Friday, finally ended a 14-month high. The economic data numbers from the US and record first quarter economic growth numbers from China were a big reason for this high in the ASX. The ASX has continued strong this morning as well, surging 0.39% and reaching 7,090.70 over the past 5 days. The index has risen by almost 1.67%. 10 of 11 sectors are gaining today, the utilities being the best performing sector, followed by materials. Factors that matter for the movement of the ASX are Sims Metal Management Company, Metals and Electronic Recycling Company, which are riding by 9.34% after providing a trading and forecast earnings update for its full year results. The company business units are performing good. Intake volumes of Q3 financial year 21 have increased by 85% compared to 1H financial year 20. Progress has been made in gross margin per tonne, which is based on higher scrap prices and margin management. The real kick in price came from forecasted numbers. The company expects to achieve earnings before interest and taxes of around 260 to 310 million Australian dollars. On one hand, the need for countries to reduce the carbon usage from steel production to meet CO2 commitments, and on the other, expecting China to import some high volumes of recycled ferrous products, put Sims is in a position to benefit from global infrastructure spending. Sims shares have gained over 120% in the past 1 year. Two of the Australian top lithium producers have agreed to join hands and collectively work towards forecasted increases in demand for a key raw material used in electric vehicle battery. As the demand for electric vehicles is strengthening in China and Europe, along with other world economies. Electric car makers are expanding production, and the merger announced today between the two prominent players, 𝐊𝐴 and Galaxy Resources, will allow for shareholders of both companies to benefit from full potential of combined asset portfolio and accelerate the development of combined growth projects. The $4 billion Australian merger is arranged such as 𝐊𝐴 will buy Galaxy Resources through a scheme of arrangement. Galaxy Resources will receive 0.569 𝐊𝐴 shares for each Galaxy share held by them. In the combined entity, which will be the world's 5th largest lithium chemical producer, 𝐊𝐴 will own 54.2%, whereas Galaxy will own 45.8%. Oaktree proposes to rescue Crown Resorts. Oaktree Capital Management, and an American global leading investment management firm, is ready to support Crown by providing a funding commitment of $3 billion via a structured instrument. Crown Resorts will use the proceeds to buy back some or all of its shares from Consolidated Press Holdings. Consolidated Press Holdings owns almost 37% stake in Crown Resorts. Crown Board is working on a process to access the proposal. Seven Group Holdings announced that it is raising 550 million Australian dollars through a fully underwritten placement. The transaction will see the issue of 22.2 million shares at a price of 22.5 Australian dollars per share. The 500 million Australian dollars is planned through institutional investors, whereas another 50 million Australian dollars through share purchase plans. The company shall use the proceeds to restore a balance sheet, reduce debt, and facilitate the retirement of more costly OEM facilities. That is all for now. I'm Dean Mitchell. Please stay tuned with 𝐊𝐶 TV.